Hey Wildcats, Graduate and Professional School Week is coming up, and I want to show you how you can get all the information and not miss out. On our Career Center website, we have a Grad School Week tile and a student and alumni webpage. All the information is here. Now, if you know that graduate school is right for you, or you're not sure if graduate school is something that you want to do, there's something here for you. Best way to see what's happening is going to the interactive calendar right here, and you can see all of our morning info sessions and workshops on the first page and our afternoon sessions on the second page. All the workshops are in gray and all of the schools are bullet pointed here in red. Now, if you're interested in attending one of the info sessions, when you click on the school, the hyperlink will take you to the Handshake event of the school, where all of their information is there of their sessions for that week. And you will also get to log in here with your username and password to get that Zoom link so you can attend. Additionally, we have all the workshops and the graduate and professional school sessions further down on our webpage. We will be going over things like exploring graduate schools, why grad school might be right for you, how to fund a graduate school, international opportunities for grad school. So don't miss out on this free information for you. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the Career Center. We're happy to answer your questions. We hope to see you there.